Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Ford Escape key fob. First, gather all key fobs you wish to program, including any existing ones that currently work. Make sure your vehicle's battery is in good condition, as a low battery can interrupt the process. This guide will walk you through the steps to successfully link your new or replacement key fob to your Ford Escape, ensuring all functions work correctly. To begin, ensure all your Ford Escape's doors are completely closed. Next, insert your key into the ignition. You'll then need to quickly cycle the ignition from the off position to on 8 times within a 10-second window. Do not start the engine. After the 8th turn, leave the key in the on position. The door locks should cycle, indicating your vehicle has entered programming mode. Once the locks cycle, take your first key fob and press any button on it within 8 seconds. The locks will cycle again to confirm it's programmed. For any additional key fobs, including existing ones, repeat this step immediately, pressing a button on each one within 8 seconds of the previous confirmation. When all fobs are programmed, turn the ignition to the off position. The locks will cycle one final time, signaling you've exited programming mode. After completing the programming, test each key fob to ensure all buttons, like lock, unlock, and panic, work correctly. If a key fob isn't working, or if you encounter any issues, simply repeat the entire programming sequence from the beginning. Sometimes, precise timing is key, so a second attempt often resolves minor glitches. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Enjoy your newly programmed key fobs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.